If you're watching this video, that means that you just answered this question previously. This question says, Jim is planting flowers in the garden shown below. He has already planted in the sections that are shaded. So just to make sure that you understand, this part he has planted, this part he has planted, this part he has planted. He has nothing planted in this last section. So make sure that when you're reading this problem that you really take time to make sure that you understand what each part means. Then we go down here to the question. What fraction of Jim's garden still needs flowers to be planted? So I know that he has already planted something here, he has already planted something here, and he has already planted something here. So which part in your head is what you should be thinking? Which part still needs flowers? When you think of that, you should automatically think this unshaded piece. So there's one part that needs to still be planted with flowers. So I know I can mark out C and I can mark out D because those both say 3/4 and 2/3. So I look at 1/3 and 1/4. Well, I know my numerator is going to be 1 because that's my part. But now I need to think about how many pieces do I have in my whole. So let's go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my denominator, which is the number on the bottom, needs to be 4. So my answer should be A. Now, one thing that I want to point out is a lot of you may have chosen D as your answer. So I want you to stop real quick and hit the pause button and just think, why would D not be the correct answer? Okay, hopefully you've had some time to think about that. D would not be your correct answer because D is telling you 1, 2, 3 out of 4. So 3/4 of the garden that still need flowers. But we know that Jim is planting, that he has already planted flowers in the sections that are shaded. So these 3 sections right here already have flowers. So they do not need flowers now. So that is why there's only one section that is left over, and that fraction would represent 1/4.